Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be finishing up the I-12 West series of 2022, and we begin in Livingston Parish, Louisiana at mile marker 25. I-12 here is in its original configuration of 2 lanes in each direction, but it appears that the left shoulder has been widened a bit. At exit 22, we see Louisiana Highway 63, leading south to the unincorporated community of Frost at a junction of LA 63 and LA 42. To the north is the town of Livingston, the parish seat of Livingston Parish. Here, I-12 widens to 3 lanes as we approach the densely populated Baton Rouge suburbs. At exit 19 on the big green sign, we see a seldom seen parish highway shield, using the standard M1-6 signage that most states use for county routes. Louisiana typically doesn't post any signs on numbered parish highways, and these parish highway numbers are usually just for internal use. Parish Highway 45 leads north to the unincorporated community of Satsuma and south to the community of Colyell. Exit 15 connects with Louisiana Highway 447 Walker Road, leading south to the village of Port Vincent and north to the city of Walker. Exit 12 provides access to LA 1026 Jubin Road, and at the northwest corner of this interchange is Jubin Crossing Shopping Center. We enter the city limits of Denham Springs, served by Exit 10, LA 3002, locally named Range Avenue, indirectly connecting to LA 16, which we'll explore in our next series. Denham Springs' population slowly increased over the decades, achieving just over 10,000 at the 2010 census. But as of the 2020 census, the population has decreased to 9,286. At the Amite River, we leave Denham Springs and enter East Baton Rouge Parish, the most populous parish in the state of Louisiana. The city of Baton Rouge and the parish of East Baton Rouge have been run by a consolidated government since 1947, which combined the city of Baton Rouge government with the rural areas of the parish. The city and parish is served by the Metropolitan Council and the Mayor-President. East Baton Rouge Parish had a population of 456,781 as of the 2020 census. We enter the city limits of Baton Rouge, the capital city of Louisiana. Baton Rouge is the 99th most populous city in the United States and the second largest city in Louisiana by population, with 227,470 residents at the 2020 census. Baton Rouge is also the home of Louisiana State University and Southern University. The port of Greater Baton Rouge is the 10th largest in the U.S. by tonnage shipped and is the farthest upstream Mississippi River port capable of handling Panamax ships, the largest ships that can navigate the Panama Canal. Exits 2B and 2A connect with US Highway 61, Airline Highway, which we've touched upon in at least a few of our past videos. As we approach the western terminus of I-12, where it merges back up with I-10 west, we take the long sweeping flyover that turns nearly 180 degrees to get back to I-10 east. This concludes our video and this series. Stay tuned for our next series, where we'll remain in Louisiana and explore another one of our many state highways. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.